Hey guys! Welcome back to my channel. I will show you an amazing solution to grow hair faster, thicker, and stronger, through an effective natural remedy, to enjoy hair thicker and stronger. But in the beginning, if you are not subscribed to our channel, please support us by subscribing to the channel and activate the bell. While you scan through the whole of the internet for the best hair products, it may be a good idea to take a pause and look into your kitchen once, and you may find something of help. The spices in your cabinet are more than just flavoring agents. For instance, fenugreek seed is a common spice used extensively in Indian households. But it is not just restricted to cooking regional delicacies. You can extract its numerous benefits by using it in home remedies, from aiding digestion to reducing hair fall. Yes, you heard it right. Methi seeds are considered to be one of the most effective remedies to treat hair fall issues. Hair fall is a common problem faced by many in today's time. Blame it on our lifestyle or the stressful times we live in, but it is a growing concern among many, and resorting to home remedies seems to be one of the most effective ways to treat it naturally. Fenugreek seeds are rich in folic acid, vitamin A, vitamin K, and vitamin C, and are a storehouse of minerals such as potassium, calcium, and iron. Fenugreek seeds also have high protein and nicotinic acid content, which are known to be beneficial against hair fall and dandruff, and in treating a variety of scalp issues like dryness of hair, baldness, and hair thinning. It contains large amounts of lecithin, which hydrates the hair and strengthens the roots or hair follicles. The seeds also help in moisturizing the hair and bringing back the luster and bounce. Are you enjoying the video so far? Then give us your opinion to let us know how we are helping you in your health. Also, give it a thumbs up and share the video with your friends. How to use fenugreek seeds. According to Ayurveda, fenugreek falls under the hot food category. In order to maximize the benefits of fenugreek seeds, they are usually soaked in water overnight, or eaten as sprouts to reduce the heat. They also have antioxidant properties and are a great remedy for detoxification. 1. To prevent hair fall. To treat hair fall issues, one of the most recommended remedies is to make a hair mask by the following method. Soak 2 tablespoons of fenugreek seeds in water and leave it overnight in a cool place. Grind the seeds into a paste using the same water, which will turn out to be sticky and slimy. This slippery substance is known to impart shine to your hair. Apply it on the roots of your hair and leave it for 20 minutes. Massage a little on the scalp before rinsing your hair with a mild shampoo. Note: to the paste you can add 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, and use it to treat dandruff issues, or 1 tablespoon of coconut milk for smooth and lustrous hair. 2. Combining it with coconut oil. Methi seeds and coconut oil work well together in treating hair fall issues and moisturizing the hair. Take 2 tablespoons of fenugreek seeds in a mixer and grind to a powder. Transfer to a bowl and add 1 tablespoon of coconut oil or olive oil to it. Mix both ingredients well and apply this paste on your hair, mostly the roots. Let it dry for 10 minutes, and then wash it off with a mild shampoo. If you like to see more such videos, hit the subscribe button, so that you can stay updated when I post new videos. Also, give it a thumbs up and share the video with your friends. Thank you for watching, and until next time, take care.